All right, we're starting a new project here at the shop. We've got a 1970 Coronet that we're turning into a Superbird. So a lot of sheet metal replacement, a lot of crazy stuff to figure out because it obviously started as a Coronet. So we're going to do new quarters and new fenders and the whole Superbird treatment to the car. In addition to that, we're going to put it on a Morrison chassis, and we're going to do a late model Hellcat Hemi swap. So it'll have plenty of power, plenty of drivability. And then after we're done with some of that stuff, we're actually going to move the wheelbase forward 3 inches. So we'll kind of get that heavy nosed a little more evened out on the front of that Superbird. So in addition to that, we're going to shorten the nose about 1.5 inches and shorten the front of the fenders 1.5 inches. So the whole combo up there will make the front of that car look a lot better. So going to shorten down the wing on the back of the car just to give it a little more flow. The wing is pretty obnoxious from the factory, so we're going to shorten that up. It's obviously going to have all the same treatment that we normally do: custom interior, custom bodywork and paint, crazy ride height, and lots of performance. So stay tuned for this one. It's going to be a badass build.
So what we did, removed the cross member, and we made new brackets here. We basically moved the front wheel 3 inches forward, and we do that because the front fender well, the distance is so proud, and there's nothing hardly in the back, so we moved the wheel well forward 3 inches, and it kind of evens out the way the car looks in the front. We did it on the Charger. It seems to be a conversion we like to do. It just lengthens the wheelbase, makes the car handle a little better, plus it gives you more metal behind the wheel to kind of match what's in the front of the wheel. This looks more even.
Makes it less nose heavy.
Yeah. That's the problem, is there's a lot of metal up here. So, but yeah, we're moving the cross member, the motor, everything. It moves forward 3 inches. But we used our CNC cutter, cut all these out, and then I basically burned it all back in. And this is just in there to hold everything until we mock the motor up. But yeah, so the whole cross member was cut out and moved forward 3 inches. And then these brackets, we made them new because when you cut them off, they're short. So we basically, so this used to be back here. So basically pulled it all 3 inches forward. Just makes the car look better.
now that we have the body panels all trimmed back on the car, there's some areas that you can't get to with air tools or wire wheels or anything else. So to make sure that we have a nice, clean, inside out, everything sealed up surface, we're gonna go ahead and pull the body off of the frame. We're gonna send it out and get everything sandblasted all up in the nooks and crannies. That way we're starting with a nice clean slate. When it gets back, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the booth and get everything epoxied so it's sealed up so we don't have to worry about any surface rust. And we're gonna do the same with the frame. We're gonna get it all cleaned up. There's some nicks here and there. We're welding them up, grinding them down, getting it all perfect, and then we'll throw it in the booth, get it epoxied, and then we'll start putting them back together and making it a car again.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.